Hey there, hikers. Ready to hit the trails? The perfect hiking shoes or boots can make or break your adventure. With countless options on the market, choosing the right pair can be a daunting task. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll help you navigate through the maze of hiking footwear, focusing on your specific needs, terrain, and foot characteristics. Say goodbye to discomfort, injuries, and accidents on the trail. Let's find your perfect pair together. 1. Make sure they match the color of your favorite hiking outfit. Fashion first, am I right? Are you struggling to choose the perfect hiking shoes or boots? Well, fear not, my fellow hiker, because we have the answer. Step 1. Make sure they match the color of your favorite hiking outfit. Yes, that's right. Fashion first. Who cares if they don't fit properly or are ill-suited for the terrain you'll be trekking through? As long as they coordinate with your ensemble, you'll be the belle of the hiking trail. So forget about comfort and practicality and focus solely on color coordination. Because let's be honest, nothing is more important than being the most stylish person on the mountain. 2. Try them on with your thickest socks to ensure maximum foot sweat. Who doesn't love swampy feet? If you're on the hunt for hiking shoes or boots, then congratulations. You're about to embark on a journey of finding the perfect pair to carry you through some of the most beautiful terrain nature has to offer. But before you get too excited, there's one vitally important step you must take. Try them on with your thickest socks to ensure maximum foot sweat. Yep, that's right. There's nothing quite like the sensation of swampy feet trapped inside a pair of shoes or boots on a long hike. So don't skip this step, folks. Embrace the sweat and revel in the feeling of your feet sloshing around in your chosen footwear. Your feet may hate you, but your sense of humor will thank you in the end. 3. Take them for a spin on a treadmill while blasting the Rocky theme song to ensure they can handle your epic hiking adventures. When it comes to choosing the perfect hiking shoes or boots, there are plenty of options out there. But how do you know which ones will be able to handle your epic adventures? Well, there's always the tried and true method of taking them for a spin on a treadmill while blasting the Rocky theme song because, if they can handle the intensity of those training montages, they must be able to handle the rugged terrain you'll be trekking. Just make sure to also have a timer set for the duration of Eye of the Tiger, because that's how long you should be testing them for. Don't worry if people in the gym start staring at you. They're just jealous of your commitment to finding the perfect pair of hiking shoes. In conclusion, selecting the right hiking shoes or boots depends on various factors such as the length and difficulty of your hike, your personal preferences, and your foot type. It's crucial to invest in a good quality pair of hiking shoes or boots, as they can make all the difference in your hiking experience. Taking the time to research and try on different options can help you find the perfect fit that will keep your feet comfortable, supported, and protected during your outdoor adventures for years to come.